What if I told you that you could start making money online today with zero experience and less than $50? Well, it's possible, and I'm about to share 3 proven methods that beginners are using to earn their first $1,000 online. How's it going, everyone? My name is Emma. Hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And by the end of this video, you'll have 3 actionable ways to start earning money online. So let's dive right in. Method No. 1. Freelance Services. Now, freelance services is a broad term that encompasses a wide range of skills that you can sell online. Think of it as your ability to do something that other people are willing to pay for. For example, do you have a talent for writing? You can sell your services as a freelance writer, creating blog posts, articles, or even social media content. Or maybe you're a whiz when it comes to graphic design. You can leverage your skills to create and sell Canva templates or logos. Are you highly organized and great at managing emails? Become a virtual assistant, helping others with data entry, email management, and administrative tasks. Or perhaps you're an expert in social media. Offer your services as a social media manager, helping businesses grow their online presence. The possibilities are endless. Now, where do you actually go to find these clients? I would recommend checking out websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com to name just a few. These platforms are hubs for freelancers and businesses looking to hire. When getting started, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First, identify your skills and what you can realistically offer. Next, create compelling profiles on freelance platforms, highlighting your experience and expertise. And lastly, start with competitive pricing to attract your first clients. As you gain positive reviews and build a strong portfolio, you can gradually increase your rates. On average, you could expect to earn around $5 to $50 per project initially. But with consistent effort and a focus on delivering quality work, you can scale your earnings to $500 to $2,000 per month or even more. Method No. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. This method is fantastic for anyone who has expertise in a particular subject and wants to help others learn. It's a flexible way to share your knowledge and earn money online. So what exactly does this involve? It's pretty straightforward. You can teach whatever you know. For instance, if you're proficient in English, you can tutor students who want to improve their conversation skills. Or if you have a strong academic background, you can teach subjects that you excel in. Even teaching musical instruments or hobby skills, like cooking or crafts, can be lucrative. Now, where can you offer your tutoring services? Platforms like Preply, Italki, Skillshare, and Udemy are great places to start. Creating a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications and teaching style is crucial. Set competitive rates while considering your experience and the value you bring to students. To prepare, make sure to create engaging lesson materials and activities that cater to different learning styles. 2. The beauty of online tutoring is that you can often set your own hours, making it a great option for those with busy schedules. On average, you can expect to earn around $10 to $30 per hour. But with experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. So if you're dedicated and consistent, you can easily earn $1,000 to $3,000 per month or more through online tutoring and teaching. Method No. 3. Content creation and monetization. This method is perfect for those who enjoy creating valuable content and sharing their knowledge and skills with the world. It's a fantastic way to build an audience, establish yourself as an expert, and earn money online. So how does this work? Well, content creation encompasses various formats, such as YouTube channels, blogs, podcasts, and social media platforms. For example, with a YouTube channel, you can create videos on topics that you're passionate about and earn ad revenue from views. As you grow your channel, you can also explore brand collaborations and sponsorships. Similarly, a blog with high-quality content and strategic affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture. With platforms like TikTok and Instagram, you can create engaging content and tap into the monetization programs offered by these social media giants. Getting started with content creation and monetization is an exciting journey. Choose a niche that you're interested in and that has an audience. Create consistent, valuable content that provides real value to your target audience. And lastly, build an audience by promoting your content and engaging with your viewers or readers. Once you have an established audience, you can explore various monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or selling your own products and services. While this method may not provide immediate financial returns, with dedication and persistence, you can build a thriving online business that generates substantial income. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs and influencers have built their fortunes primarily through content creation. Just imagine the possibilities. With YouTube, you could earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 or more each month. And the best part is that the sky's the limit. All right, now that you have all these amazing methods to start making money online, it's important to remember a few key tips for success. First, start with one method and master it before moving on to others. Don't try to do too much at once. Be patient. Building a sustainable online income stream takes time and effort. Don't give up. Keep reinvesting your early profits back into your online ventures for greater growth. Track your progress, analyze the results, and optimize your strategies based on what works best for you. And here's a bonus tip. Don't forget to set aside funds for taxes and keep accurate records of your income and expenses. Now, it's also important to be aware of common mistakes to avoid. Trying too many things at once, giving up too early, and not treating your online income as a real business are some major pitfalls that can hinder your success. Ignoring taxes and record keeping can lead to unnecessary complications down the road, too. Alright, I want to ask you, which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos just like this one. Check out my next video about 7 best apps to make money online. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.